Imagine a meeting where every voice is heard, decisions are made faster, and everyone leaves feeling energized. That's the power of running effective meetings in Microsoft Teams. Ready to transform your team's collaboration? Here's your simple, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare with purpose. Before you even schedule a meeting, set your agenda. Define the goals. What do you want to achieve? Share the agenda with attendees in advance so everyone comes ready. Attach documents or background materials directly in Teams, making it easy for your team to find what they need. Step 2. Set up your meeting space. Use the Teams calendar to schedule and send invites. Choose whether it's a private or channel meeting. For higher engagement, turn on video and use background effects if needed for a professional look. Step 3. Start strong. Kick off with a warm greeting, set the tone, and quickly review the agenda. Encourage participation from the start. Use Teams' in-meeting chat for quick feedback and reactions to keep the energy up. Step 4. Drive engagement. Use features like raise hand or polls to invite input. Share content by presenting your screen or using Whiteboard for brainstorming. Assign note-taking or action items with @mentions, so everyone knows their next step. Step 5. Wrap up with clarity. Summarize key points and decisions. Clearly state action items and deadlines. Share meeting notes and a recording in the Teams channel so nobody misses a beat. Step 6. Follow up. Use Teams chat or channel posts to check in on progress. Keep the conversation going and celebrate wins together. With these steps, every meeting in Microsoft Teams can be focused, inclusive, and productive. Confidently lead your next meeting and watch collaboration soar.